Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. This is a field where I'm standing beside this. This is an empty field. There is no paddy. 2 days ago, these fields paddy were cut by the farmers and were decided to cut here. And this is very interesting thing. And this is the first field which field started harvesting from here, because the paddy seed also seedle or south at the first time it started from here, and also the harvesting has started from this paddy. If you are a regular viewer or subscriber of my YouTube channel or Facebook page, you know I have been making video about this field from the early time, the seedling time, to this time the harvesting, and I'll continue make video. So you will see that during the seedling time or sowing the seed on the field, especially like one kind of monsoon, the last moment of monsoon, and also the first moment of the autumn or the spring season, that time it was happened. But this time the paddy has already grown up by the helps of our creature Allah, and they are helping our farmers very much. And this season many people, especially the farmers, says that usually we get a lot of harvest and unlimited amount of paddy this season compared to the last few years. So it is one of the very good sign and positive thing in our country economically. We do not need to buy or do not need to import much paddy compared to this. So this is the surroundings. If you live out of the country, you also miss this, although it is a little bit hot, but overall it is very beautiful, because there is one kind of sounds you are hearing. This is a natural sounds, and also something smell is come from the paddy seed, and all over this you are gathering from this video. And I will want to more something, this is not a easy task. It's one of the very hard tasks in any kind of work, and very hard work. Who can, as a person or farmers who do this work, is especially they are strong. But this paddy fields is empty right now, but you can use this you can use, but this is not the right time. After completing the cutting the paddy, people usually cut this. It's a very different kind of name. It's one kind of fireworks, firewood. You can use this, like it can be used as a straw. It's a one kind of straw. It is fired or burned very easily. It burns very rapidly. You can cook easily using this. But I have a knowledge, or I have a experience. When I was a child, I used to come, not frequently, just 1 year, one season I came to this field to cut this straw. But nowadays in our local people have no any interest, because we are getting rich in our local people. I just made a fun. So we actually do not come to cut this straw, do not take this straw. But the person, a very low number of person who are not rich, or who have no good amount of money, who has no to afford 3 times meals, who had to dependable on their work, they come here to reduce the money on wood. So by the way, this video I will just try to help you to understand more and something like that, and to show you an empty paddy field where recently the paddy has been cut. I hope this video must help you to practice and to learn better way to express your expression in different things about. I will come back the next video very soon with new things. At that time, keep practicing, keep learning. Goodbye for now.